Did you know that just one high carb meal can spike your blood sugar by over 100 points, even if you don't have diabetes? And those repeated spikes, they're aging your body faster than you think, and over time can lead to insulin resistance. But these three steps can help you lower those spikes after eating. Hey there, I'm Jessica Green, and I help driven women 40 plus reset their metabolism, reclaim their vitality, and thrive in midlife without exhaustion. I'm all about the science-backed strategies that work with your body and not against it. Today, I'm going to show you the three science-backed ways to lower blood sugar quickly after you eat. A healthy blood sugar spike after a meal is when your blood sugar pre-meal to post-meal rises about 30 milligrams per deciliter or less. If you use the CGM like I do, you can clearly see when this happens. But if you don't have a CGM, you might feel it in the form of feeling sluggish after a meal or maybe even jittery, and then crave something more to eat. When you eat a meal, that spikes your blood sugar beyond that. And if that's done frequently over time, you can develop insulin resistance and even type 2 diabetes. This negatively impacts your overall metabolic health and can increase overall inflammation. Now, meals that spike blood sugar might include things like too many carbs, like pasta or pizza, or something like a dessert. And when you eat too many carbs, it converts in your body to glucose, and your body then scrambles to release insulin to break it down. The thing is that we've all been in situations where we have that piece of cake or pizza, right? But the good news is you can reduce that glucose spike, and it's easier than you think. Okay, so you indulged in a carb-heavy meal and maybe that extra slice of pizza or a decadent dessert. No worries. Here are the science-backed strategies to help you manage your blood sugar levels after these meals. First up, move for 10 minutes. Take a short walk, do air squats, or even some lunges. Studies have shown that just 10 minutes of light movement after eating can lower blood sugar levels significantly because your muscles start soaking up that excess glucose even before insulin is released. And a study published in Diabetes Care found that walking for 10 minutes after eating reduced blood sugar spikes significantly, even more than a single 30-minute walk at another time of the day. Next up, don't stress about it. Feeling guilty or worried that you just ate something that was going to really spike your blood sugar, that actually makes it worse. Stress raises cortisol levels, which can increase blood sugar levels even more. Instead, focus on calming activities, deep breathing, light stretching, or a relaxed walk, which gives you that double benefit of point number one. Keeping stress low helps keep blood sugar stable. High cortisol levels trigger the release of stored glucose, causing blood sugar to rise, even if you haven't eaten. This is a natural defense mechanism in the body. And studies show that mindfulness practices like slow breathing and meditation can lower both cortisol and blood sugar levels. Now, finally, taking 500 milligrams of berberine, this powerhouse supplement, which I've talked about before, is backed by solid research. Studies show that berberine can reduce post-meal blood sugar by up to 30% by improving insulin sensitivity and slowing carb absorption. It works similarly to some diabetic medications without the side effects. Now, it's better if you take this before you eat, but we're talking about what to do after the fact. So be sure to take it right after a high carb meal to blunt the spike. A metabolism study found that berberine reduces post-meal glucose spikes as effectively as metformin, a common diabetes drug. I love Thorne brand berberine, and you can get 20% off of this and any supplement order by signing up for my full script dispensary. I'll be sure to add the link in the description below. And that's it. These 3 simple steps can turn blood sugar spikes into a much smoother ride. So just to recap, 10 minutes of walking or air squats after meals, keeping stress low, and trying berberine. Small changes equal a big impact. And I want to hear from you today. Have you tried any of these strategies? What works best for you? Drop a comment below. If you want to learn more about the best low insulin foods, check out this video here. Thank you for joining. See you next week.